Malta, a small island nation in the Mediterranean Sea, is a captivating destination with a rich history, stunning landscapes, and crystal-clear waters. The best place to stay in Malta depends on your preferences and priorities. Here are some of the most popular areas. Valletta, the capital city, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is renowned for its fortified city walls, Baroque architecture, and stunning harbour views. St. Julian's. This vibrant coastal town offers a wide range of accommodation options, from budget-friendly guesthouses to luxury hotels. It's also home to many bars, restaurants, and nightclubs. Melilla. This northern town is known for its beautiful beaches, including Melilla Bay, one of the largest sandy beaches in Malta. Gozo. This sister island of Malta offers a more relaxed atmosphere and stunning countryside. Mdina, often referred to as the Silent City, Mdina is a medieval walled city with narrow, winding streets and historic buildings. Blue Lagoon, Comino, a crystal-clear lagoon with turquoise waters, perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and sunbathing. Haga Kim and Imnashtra temples, ancient megalithic temples dating back to the Neolithic period. St. John's County Cathedral, a Baroque masterpiece with stunning interior decorations, including Caravaggio's famous painting, The Beheading of St. John the Baptist. The megalithic temples of Malta are a remarkable archaeological site that provides a glimpse into the island's ancient past. These prehistoric structures, dating back to around 3600 BC, are among the oldest freestanding structures in the world. Haga Kim and Imnashtra, located near Kurendi, these two temple complexes are some of the most impressive megalithic structures in Malta. They feature massive stone blocks, intricate carvings, and a unique architectural style. Tarksan temples. Situated in Tarksan, these temples are known for their extensive carvings and decorative features. Gantia temples. Located on the island of Gozo, these temples are the oldest freestanding structures in the world. They are named after the mythical giants who were believed to have built them. A visit to the megalithic temples of Malta is a must for anyone interested in history, archaeology, or simply the wonders of human ingenuity. Comino is a small island in the Maltese archipelago, located between the islands of Malta and Gozo. It's famous for its stunning natural beauty, crystal-clear waters, and the iconic Blue Lagoon. The Blue Lagoon. A picturesque bay with crystal-clear turquoise waters. Perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and sunbathing. Reachable by boat from Malta or Gozo. Santa Maria Tower, a 17th-century watchtower offering panoramic views of the island. St. Mary's Bay, a secluded bay with a small beach and clear waters. Hiking trails. Explore the island's rugged coastline and enjoy stunning views. Comino offers a tranquil and idyllic escape from the bustling cities of Malta and Gozo. Its pristine natural beauty and crystal-clear waters make it a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to Malta. Maltese language and identity. Maltese language. A unique Semitic language written in the Latin alphabet, influenced by Arabic, Sicilian, and English. Strong Catholic faith. Catholicism is deeply ingrained in Maltese culture, with numerous churches and religious festivals throughout the year. Traditional festivals and celebrations. Feast of St. Paul's Shipwreck, a colourful festival commemorating the shipwreck of St. Paul on the Maltese Islands. Village feasts, held throughout the year, these local festivals feature religious processions, music, food, and fireworks. Carnival, a vibrant celebration with colourful costumes, parades, and street parties. Maltese crafts and arts. Filigree jewelry, intricate and delicate jewelry made from silver or gold. Maltese lace, beautiful lacework, often used to decorate clothing and household items. Wooden crafts, handcrafted wooden items, such as furniture and toys. Maltese cuisine is a delightful blend of Mediterranean flavors, influenced by Italian, Arabic, and British culinary traditions. Here are some of the must-try dishes. Pastizi. These flaky pastries are filled with ricotta cheese or mushy peas and are a popular snack. Rabbit stew. A hearty and flavorful dish, often served with roasted potatoes. Lampuki pie. A savory pie filled with lampuki fish, a type of mackerel. Bigilla. A thick bean dip made from broad beans, garlic, and olive oil. Aljotta. A hearty fish soup with a variety of fish, vegetables, and herbs. Imkarun. A baked pasta dish with a rich tomato sauce and cheese. Eftira. A traditional Maltese bread, often served with olive oil, tomato paste, and tuna. Hobbs bizzati. A simple yet delicious bread topped with olive oil, garlic, and herbs. Quaresmal. A sweet pastry filled with ricotta cheese and chocolate, typically eaten during Lent. Seafood. Fresh seafood, such as octopus, squid, and fish, is a staple of Maltese cuisine. Local taverns. These traditional taverns offer authentic Maltese cuisine at affordable prices. Restaurants in Valletta. The capital city offers a wide range of restaurants, from casual eateries to fine dining establishments. Seafood restaurants. Enjoy fresh seafood at coastal towns like Marsaxlokk and Marsalforn. Don't forget to pair your meal with a glass of Maltese wine or a local beer. Malta offers a vibrant nightlife scene, especially in the areas of St. Julian's and Paceville. Here are some of the highlights. Havana. This iconic nightclub is known for its lively atmosphere, great music, and themed nights. Sky Club. Located on a rooftop, this club offers stunning views of the city and a lively party atmosphere. Janpula Complex. This large complex houses multiple clubs and bars, catering to different music tastes. The Thirsty Barber. A popular bar with a great selection of drinks and live music. Spices. A stylish bar with a rooftop terrace, perfect for enjoying cocktails and panoramic views. Café Del Mar. This beachfront bar offers stunning sea views and a relaxed atmosphere. While Valletta is more known for its historical sites, it also offers a variety of bars and pubs, especially in the area around Straight Street. The island of Gozo offers a more laid-back nightlife scene, with cozy bars and restaurants. By following these tips, you can enjoy Malta's vibrant nightlife and create unforgettable memories. The Victoria Hotel is a 4-star hotel located in Slima, Malta. It's known for its elegant rooms, spa facilities, and multi-purpose conference halls. Elegant rooms. The hotel offers a variety of room types, including classic rooms, balcony rooms, and suites, all designed with comfort and style in mind. Spa facilities. Relax and rejuvenate at the hotel's spa, which offers a range of treatments, including massages, facials, and body scrubs. Dining options. The hotel has several dining options, including a restaurant, bar, and cafe. Conference facilities. The hotel offers versatile indoor and outdoor event venues, making it a popular choice for conferences, weddings, and other special events. Prime location. The Victoria Hotel is located in the heart of Sliema, within walking distance of shops, restaurants, and the waterfront promenade. The Victoria Hotel is a great choice for travelers seeking a comfortable and stylish stay in Sliema, Malta. Malta has two main cruise ports. 1. Valletta Cruise Port. This is the primary cruise port in Malta, located in the heart of Valletta, the capital city. It's a modern and well-equipped port with easy access to the city's attractions. 2. Embark Harbour, Gozo. This port is located on the island of Gozo, a short ferry ride from Malta. It's a smaller port, but it offers easy access to the island's beautiful beaches and historical sites. Both ports offer a variety of shore excursion options, including historical tours, cultural experiences, and outdoor activities. Living in Valletta offers a unique opportunity to experience the rich history and culture of Malta. By embracing the city's charm and challenges, you can create a fulfilling and memorable lifestyle.